chaba chaba. Agaghị m aba n'ụlọ onye kpọrọ masị.
Where is your son?
Nani, ụtụtụ ọma, good morning.
I'm not here for your greetings.
Osebegodi.
I ask again, where is your son?
Nani, my son is not back yet.
Hey! So the porcupine has forgotten that his body is full of thorns, so as to tread carefully for people not to march on it and get hurt. Has your son forgotten the burden he's carrying as the SAG of Obunike? So as to tread carefully.
Hey, Nani, Biko, my son will come back.
When will he come back? Is it when the lizard develops pubic hair? Is that when he will come back?
Hey, God forbid!
Is that when he will come?
Then
let him make haste while the sun shines. He is the SAG of Obunike, and he has to perform the sacred tradition before we eat the new yam. Let him come back, oh.
Nani, okay? Nani. Oh! Can you know this baby fan? No one know this boy. Eh? You have refused to come back, Okuya. What is all this? Eh? Why don't you just come back and perform the rites? You know, eh? What do you want me to do? You must come back, oh. And come and perform this thing, oh. Give you chokame. And now calling me up and down, talking to me anyhow because of you. You have to come back, oh. Tension the high. On the high, yo. Magic is simple na oh, Chendana, but on our body, what I give it an about. You're quite away.
Did you see him?
He has not returned.
Yeah. Oh. Somebody should go and fetch him now. Somebody should just go and fetch him before all of us dies of hunger in this village.
Will you shut that pit latrine you call out? Who are you to tell me how to perform my duties? Are you do now parade a manhood or the same genital I married you with?
No, I am sorry.
Will you get out of my sight?
I want to go
out!
Papa, in the chair.
Toto what I am. Toto fry and jaw. Would you want?
Papa.
But I much. The money. Okay. Today I'm going to roast yam for me. Let her make sure that fresh pepper is available with uba and baka and utazi. No me here gesh. That's what I want to take this morning.
Okay, Papa.
We're going to the office, so do it well.
Sorry, Papa. But there are no more yams in the yam band. Unless you want me to go and dig some. Now,
Mama, happy all
Hey, nah.
Mama.
Oh, I can't near. Abo Quedike. I got a watch lose.
I've got some more.
I know now, boy. I know Olonko, Mamone, Juano. Hey! Unafugun Chakonora. Those of you that said my son will never come back. Hey! My son is back. Back to perform the traditional rites. How if he on the obunike?
Mama, sometimes I just get confused. I'm caught in between this tradition and my faith.
Nah, don't be confused though. I want to Frederick. If you go na your kadibo.
Yes.
He sent you to school to learn the different cultures and still retain your own. You got to find out why. Nyaboni get for your uncle. Iche uchendo. Kamalun kene mekeme boss or say so. The community is distressed. Now, Kainaba. Oh, what we five you go tell the neck.
Mama,
you got them bread. Bread in the Lagos.
Mama, here you come.
Abutache. Hey, Mama. Mama. I got what you lose. I got what you lose.
Bye-bye. Ichiro
Come. Hey! What is it? What is it? Hey!
Ichiro, I greet you and my apologies.
Keep your greetings and apologies to yourself. Listen to me. If we had lost a soul out of hunger, if we had lost a soul, I would have shown you what spirits do with human skull.
If you know what is good for you, you just have to start preparing for that sacrifice.
Obageli, are you mad? Do you want to take my position as the custodian of Emumeji? Do you know you have mentioned the mentionable? You mean you're not afraid to talk to our Ezeji or Obageli?
My husband, I'm sorry. I was just trying to let you know.
Listen to me! Your apology is unacceptable. Very unacceptable. And you must give today's AG one big impi. Hey! Impi, baraba, agedeba. He go to baraba. Yes! And 4 tubers of yam.
I have forgiven her, honestly.
That is your business. Entirely your business. It is a taboo for a woman to meddle in the affairs of this sacred sacrifice. So, she must pay the fine. I've spoken. Obegeli, get lost. Lost! Get lost!
Let me continue with where I was going before.
Ichuchendu, please, like I said before, I'm really sorry. But now I am back to take control of that is bestowed upon me. But I need your support. I need your help.
It's all right. We shall do that on the Market Day. Huh? Yes, so that I will find time to inform Amawa, Okalo, Osile, Azu, and Ifita. Huh? Yes, and other village heads. Okay? Yes. You can now go and take a rest from your long journey.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Let me be going. I'll see you, sir.
It's all right.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
These children.
Nem. He is no phone go. But let me ask you. Why didn't you open a restaurant at Oyolisa? Or near St. Monica self?
I will answer you that question.
Yes.
Because I want you, my family members and relatives to be the only ones that will enjoy my cooking.
If Rafaga, hey, I forget by
Chaluko, it's an alpha normal before joke. Normal means good home.
Yes.
And what if I'm
your name, it's I know everything.
also. This is what can you.
Yeah.
Let me ask, the meeting you had with your uncle,
Yes.
I hope it went well.
Nothing. It went well. Now you're beginning to behave like the wife of the tortoise. You say you will not ask and you don't want to pay fine, but you're still probing.
But I hope you people did not quarrel.
We did not. Anyway, in case you want to know, the only answer we have to is that we'll start digging the yams from after Oye Market.
Yeah, after a care.
Okay,
Hey, will come.
you know I'm a titled person. I don't talk when I eat.
I know. Ki wait see us. Mananya be for broken on.
Hey.
Live no. Asina Nancy.
Oh no, man.
Remember those days when our age greatness.
For my trust.
I remember those early days when I was your age mate. Now you don't dance anymore. Hey, you don't know nowadays, our head days. You don't know what you're missing now. My husband, welcome. No.
Where are the items for the fine? Obiageli, listen to me. A fly that does not heed advice follows the corpse to the grave. If you say you don't take shit shit will take you. Today is the last day to pay the fine to SAG. Tomorrow is Eke. And you cannot do it on the day of sacrifice. I've not seen any sign.
My husband, I can't raise money for all these items you just mentioned.
That is your punishment for being nosy and disrespectful. You have missed Afigo Gidi. You have missed Oyolisa. You have missed Afompo. And today is a Wago. If you like, stay here. But you must buy the yams and all the items, including the big impi, with a sizable ochoklopin.
Hey, my husband, please. I can't raise money for all these fines. We don't have yams in the bank again. And you know about it. How do I raise money for 4 tubers of yam? And upon that, you added goats, and even went ahead to describe the big goats. How can I buy that kind of goats? Oh, since I've sold my she goats, kindly give me one of your he goats, so that I can use to offset the fine. And just be thinking about how to raise the...
Obiageli, I don't care how you go about it. Go and sort yourself out. But you must pay the fine. Today, next time, you learn not to interfere in the affairs of men. Obiageli? 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 It's all right.
Hey. If I had known, I wouldn't have opened my mouth.
This one is all right.
No.
Obiajolo. Why is the post of SAG hereditary? And why must it come from Amawa?
And they shouldn't have come from Isiobunike either. You see, the right people to answer this question you're asking me now is our ancestors. Because right from the time before I grew up to this level with you in this community, both of us know very well that it has been a common practice that this SAG must at all times come from Amawa. So I don't know why you're asking this question.
Listen, if this delay happens again, I will make sure that SAG stops eating meat. Yes, he cannot continue to the delay is enough. Okay, Nekwan?
Ndulue, I think it is of mouth to be angry now. Because the SAG position have been strategically positioned by our ancestors. And now that we find ourselves in this condition, there is nothing we can do than to wait for the time of the gods. Because I know that what you are asking for can never happen. Yes, never happen. Unless you want to wrestle with the gods. Which I know you will not like to wage war with the gods.
To hell. To hell. Let me see that double-cultured man. He will pay me for all the damages. He will.
Ndulue, I think I will liken you to the proverbial tortoise that was thrown into a pit, toilet pit, and he stays there for a very long time. wee ruzie ka ụmụnne ya na-akpazi nkata n'ama amụma ka a ga-esi kpọpụta ya n'onunu. O wee si mee ọsịsọ kpọpụta ya n'ebe a na nsị na-esigbu ya. That's what it will look like. Remember, Eke Day is tomorrow. And you will go ahead and start harvesting your yams. Then, we will lose work at it.
Which yams? Harvesting which yams?
The yams I knew you planted.
Already cooked yams? Or can't you see that the sun is becoming too intensive nowadays?
Ndule, but I know very well that even if the weather is not favorable to those yams, the little rain, the little water from the soil cools the yams. And if you doubt it, visit your farm early in the morning tomorrow. You will see the evidence of what I'm talking about.
Listen, I am insisting that we have to do something very fast before we get to doomsday. Yes.
I support you, Ndule, but we must apply caution. Caution is the watchword now. Can you one Take it.
It's all right.
Take it.
I'm okay, I'm all right.
Bamba, take it.
I'm okay.
Take it.
Thank you, I'm okay.
Take
it. Hey, Obiagali. Who need him? This one you remembered me today.
Oh, Mama, I did not come to see you. I came to see your son. Is he around?
Don't worry, my son is sleeping. I made this akidi with vegetable soup. After eating it, he went to the room to sleep.
Who asked you? I didn't ask you, of course, and you know that. I came to see your son and not you.
Acha, full-grown young lady. Everything has come out. So we don't know how to greet people again. Up where?
Good evening.
Good evening to you too.
Good evening.
Good evening.
You see a well-brought-up child. Did you see how we just greeted you? If we are okay, that is how to bring up a child.
Because Jude, this is the goat. I came to redeem what my husband told me to bring. This is it here. This is the yam.
You know, left for me alone, I wouldn't have insisted on this fine. But if not for tradition, you know how it is. Huh? However, thank you very much, you know. There's nothing I can do about it.
No, if I'm here, this goat, by the time I finish making pepper soup, then I use this yam to pound. Hey! Oh God, it will be a good one.
Come on, let's just get out of here. No problem.
Are you sure you don't want to stay back and enjoy? Hey! Nah, you didn't even tell me that they find her.
What kind of celebration is this? Why are you getting excited over this fine? And moreover, or everything can work around wine about. Should men be discussing everything with women?
Hey.
Women discuss this with women.
You know, when I will pound this yam, swing me this way. I pound it this way. Now, take that in and come and carry this thing. Hey! No more market for 1 week. How can you see a woman?
Obidolu na bobo, emumeji okeniru. Obidolu na bobo, chikwese numinani, emumeji, emumudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emumeji okeniru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze nubinani, emumeji, emumudo. Obidolu na bobo. Abianubi jibweze, Abianani jibweze, Jine buta fo juju buto biangoli obode bili nudo. Jine buta fo juju buto biangoli obode bili nudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emumeji oganiru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze nubinani, emumeji, emumudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emumeji. emumeji ọganiru obidolu na gbogbo jikweze n'ubi na nni emumeji emumudo obidolu na gbogbo emumeji
You may sit down. Anụzọ obodo anyị nye n'ụmụ nwa ji m were ụgbọji ime dodorimado na ọ bụrụ nwoke na ọbụkọghị m dodorimado ma na ọ bụrụ nwaanyị na-agakwa anụ ya anụ dodorimado na ọ bụrụ nwoke na ọbụkọghị m dodorimado. Emume ji ka anyị na-eme asị na ọ ga-adịla anyị mma ọ ga-adịla anyị mma n'Eke ọ ga-adịla anyị mma n'Orie ọ ga-adị n'Afọ ọ ga-adịla anyị mma na Nkwọ emume ji ka anyị na-eme anyị sị na ji bụ eze ji eze akụkụ na ọ ga-adịla na anyị mma Anụzọ obodo anyị nye n'ụmụ nwa ji m were ụgbọji ime dodorimado ma ọ bụrụ nwoke na ọbụkọghị m dodorimado na ọ bụrụ nwaanyị na-agakwa anụ ya dodorimado. Ezeji, it is your turn to perform your duties.
Emumeji
Ọganiru.
Ọganiru.
Emumeji.
Emumeji
Ọganiru.
Ọganiru.
Emumeji.
Our fathers performed it. Our forefathers also did. And passed on to us. It is the tradition. With the powers vested on me as the SAG, I hereby commission this New Yam Festival to be fruitful, that we will eat and be alive, and increase and multiply. I hereby cut to represent the 10 different clans that makes up Ogbunike.
Obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, emumeji ọganiru. Obidolu na gbogbo, jikweze n'ubi na nni, emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, emumeji ọganiru. Obidolu na gbogbo, jikweze n'ubi na nni, emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na gbogbo. Abịa n'ubi jikweze, abịa na nni jikweze, Chinebute afọ ojuju bute obi aṅụrị obodo ebili n'udo. Chinebute afọ ojuju bute obi aṅụrị obodo ebili n'udo. Obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, emumeji ọganiru. Obidolu na gbogbo, jikweze n'ubi na nni, emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, emumeji ọganiru. Jibweze n'ubi na nni emume ji emume udo obidolu na bobo obidolu na bobo obidolu na bobo emume ji ọganiru obidolu na bobo Jibweze n'ubi na nni emume ji emume udo obidolu na bobo obidolu na bobo obidolu na bobo emume ji ọganiru obidolu na bobo Jibweze n'ubi na nni emume ji emume udo obidolu na bobo.
Oyoyo nne. Ngina nwa ya na akpali.
Yes.
Oyoyo nne.
So it's ready.
Tell him kanje na kitchen.
It's all right. Wait. Chine, there's plenty.
Papa.
Yes.
Why do you even want me around? Just to eat the first yam with you?
My son.
Papa.
You see, when a plantain tree dies, the young ones take over. I want you to know the culture and tradition of our people. Most Igbos who live in townships these days do not know our culture anymore.
You have a point there, Papa. Some children can no longer speak Igbo language. Even my neighbor's children in Enugu cannot speak Igbo. They don't know they are fast losing their identity.
That's right. That's right.
Papa?
Yes.
This one is very sweet.
Indeed.
Papa? I want to be the next SAG.
Chinedu.
Papa.
You cannot be SAG as long as Obinna is alive. And his son will be SAG after him.
Then, why does he not want to get married?
Leave that issue.
Papa, at his
Wait, leave that issue. I will address it very soon.
Papa, what I'm just saying is that at his age, he should be a father to 1 or 2 children by now.
I know.
Anyway, if he doesn't get married and he dies now, I will be the next SAG.
Will you shut up your mouth? How dare you speak evil in such manner? Do you know it is sacrilege to wish him dead? Or do you want the gods to descend on my family?
Papa, I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. That is the problem with the youths of nowadays. They are over ambitious. And that is why they go into crime easily. Honor and integrity have been thrown to the winds.
Papa Bikozian, Wara, please forgive me. I'm very, very sorry. Papa, you see, you're a man of justice, honor, and integrity. I want to follow your footsteps.
It's all right. But you should not think evil of anyone. You have to be upright.
Okay, Papa.
That's it. So let's enjoy the food.
Obidolu na bobo Jibweze n'ubi na nni emume ji emume udo obidolu na bobo obidolu na bobo obidolu na bobo obidolu na bobo emume ji ọganiru obidolu olu na bobo jibweze nubi na nne emumeji emumudo
Honestly,
Moke phone saga ya. Saga. Saga.
No.
Good afternoon.
Edu.
Enata.
Yes, ma'am.
If you need your phone, you came to eat the new year with your father. Oh my God, no.
Please come and join us.
Hey, Brother Jude, I've celebrated my father already. Email, Mama. I would have loved to come feud already.
Oh, so what?
Brother Jude, my father sent me to call you.
Yes, tell him I'll come and see him after the dinner.
Okay, brother. Mama.
Do you know why he sent for?
I don't know, but I think I'll just go and see him right away. Let me even run and go and see him now.
Libenu, you have not taken enough fish.
No, I will do that when I come back. Can't you fear? I'm coming back now. I'll eat when I'm back. I'm okay now. I'm after.
Well, no. As I say, so can. No, I'm going to go to him and him.
Obinna,
Iche, I'm here.
if you want to lay an epileptic woman, you do it in a haste so that epilepsy will not catch you. But if you relax in her inner chamber, as if it is your father's parlor, if you don't catch epilepsy, epilepsy will catch you.
But Iche, I don't.
Obinna!
Mama, you really surprised me today.
Okay,
You really surprised me.
Hey, Enrique.
The way you were dancing. You were dancing Kokomba. You danced Kukere, and the way you now pick
It's like you're drunk. And if you're drunk, just go in and lie down.
Open the door now. It's too much. I'm sure this is what Papa saw in you that made him to marry you.
Open the door, Kibanono.
Open, I really tried though.
I hear.
Hey. Mommy, it's too much.
I'm going to nail a man. I'm going to make it.
Mama, that you're shocking downstairs.
If anyone had told me that I'll be married to the AZG, I'd have simply told the person that he is Joseph the Dreamer.
Because you were the patient one.
Patient one.
Yeah. Don't you know that I know that all your friends, they were all interested in me. And they were doing everything possible to attract my attention. Now let me take them one after the other for you. You see Uju? Uju was subtle with her own attitude. But Chioma, that one, she threw all caution to the wind. She threw herself at me to get my attention, but still it didn't work. But for you, you are totally aloof and unperturbed, as if nothing was happening. You were just yourself.
How was I myself?
Well, I will explain that to you later. The only thing I know, you see that they asked you about Chioma, and you answered to me positively. You caught the cord in me, and I knew you were the one for me. Anyway, let's leave all that for me. Let me at least enjoy my new wife. What is it?
I've not done that thing before.
Are you serious? That at your age you're still... Oh my God! You're my priceless jewel. Give it to me freely. I love you, baby. Ichie, good afternoon, sir.
Ah, Obi. Olia.
I was actually on my way to your house. Yes, sir.
I hope there's no problem. I was going to my oil mill at Nkwelezunaka.
It's just to let you know, since I have completed the tax that you gave to me, that I will be going back to Lagos to continue with my daily struggle on making ends meet.
So, when are you leaving?
The day after tomorrow, on Wednesday, sir.
Okay. Will you be going with your wife?
Not this time. I thought it wise to leave her behind with my mother while I go back and sort out things. You know, the place has to be convenient for her to stay as a woman. You know, women now.
You see, one of the reasons why I wanted you to get married was for your mother Norma to have company. Since your sister is still in school.
But Ishe, to tell you the truth, it's not my intention to get married and leave my wife in the village for a very long time. Once I settle down, I'll come and carry her.
Yes. But before you settle down, then your sister must have finished as to keep your mother company. And if you sorting out things might take a year or more. But all the same, see me tomorrow before you leave.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes. Let me proceed to Nkwelezunaka. To my oil mill.
Okay. Ijoma.
Greet your mother for me.
I will, sir. Okay.
Obi.
Aisha. Please now. Don't do this now. Please try and be strong.
I'm not happy with you. Stop smiling there. Stop looking at me. I'm just angry with you. You left for 1 month. 1 good month. I didn't see you.
Just village things now. You know the tradition.
Wait. I hope they didn't marry a girl for you there. You dare not try.
Which one? Which one is that?
You shouldn't try to.
Everything is wife.
You shouldn't try to.
Ojo.
In fact, I don't even know why I'm talking to you. I have a good news for you, but I'm not going to tell you.
Why now?
Beg me.
Okay, please.
Say please.
I will even leave it if you want me to. I tell you that. Please tell me.
You really want to hear?
Yes.
Oh, goodness. I'm pregnant for you. You can't believe it. For real, yes. I'm not joking.
I'm giving you only one.
What is it?
You think because you're the SAG, you can talk to anybody as you want. Obina, as in school you attend, meaning is sensitive, that you no longer have respect for my father and our tradition.
Is it me you're talking to like this? Do you know why I'm laughing? Are you not the same Chedu? The same little Chedu that used to run muka through the nose into the mouth that I used to help clean up? The one that I held by the hand and crossed the road? You have the guts to talk to me like that?
Obina, I have come to warn you to stop inflicting pains on my father and to stop desecrating our tradition, Obina. Adeamachi, you fugitive. You ran off with a woman without a pillow case.
Chinedu!
Mama,
When did this one start? How dare you talk to your senior brother like that?
Mama Nuku, if not for the respect I have for you and our tradition, I would have shown Obina what I'm capable of.
Okay, if you have any respect for me, you should get out of my compound.
Mama Nuku, Kopo.
Eh?
Mama Kopo.
Do that thing you want to do. I said do it! Do it!
Ezeji.
Ibo la ti rí wèrè aláṣọ lélẹ̀ ẹgbà wá wèrè lélẹ̀ yo.
Shut up, you prostitute! You called me were. You said a visit Lagos. I will show you my style.
Yeah, see lo.
Mama.
See lo.
Mama.
Chinedu naba.
Mama. I have a gun for sauce.
Okay, mama.
Get it to your skull. Ezeji, I broke an Ezeji obodo.
Wèrè ó yẹ kó forí ẹ̀ dànù ni. Chinedu. Ayé mi o! Ẹ gbà mí wèrè! Ó fẹ́ fọ́ lórí! Yé! Ọlọ́wọ́! Àwọn ọmọ Igbo tuntun bẹ̀rẹ̀! Wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìjà rẹ̀ o! Àwọn ọmọ Igbo! Olúwa o! Ọkọ mi o!
Hey, come on, my friend. Come and get inside.
They are abusing the water.
Get inside, my friend. Why are you embarrassing me?
Get inside!
I said get inside.
Is it not your fault? Is it not your fault?
I said get inside.
You brought her into this compound. If you had not brought her here, this would not be happening.
Mama, why are you increasing the tempo?
Mama to go
is enough.
If person not like that. You are not share. You are winning way now. You are winning way. Yes, you are winning way.
Go inside. Mama, I don't like this. You're making me more confused.
I'm looking at what you're with. You don't talk to me anyhow because your father is not alive. Hey.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Go inside. Mama, I don't like this. Mama, I have enough problems on my head already.
My people, that is the situation now. Yes. This age has 2 women who are pregnant for him. Ogechi, one Ilwane, and one Imba, another woman he brought from a distant land. Yes. But you people should not forget that after Obinna, the next age must come from the woman he married traditionally. Yes. Because that is the one approved by the gods.
Even witness.
Yes.
But Iche Uchendo, my fellow elders, the AZG has put dust on our faces. Good observation.
That's good observation.
That's very correct.
So, in that case,
I'm sending you. Huh? Yes. Ibelue. And yes, Ibelue. And Chiara to him as a mistress. He has to appease the gods.
Yes.
For disrespecting them. Hey. Eh? Yes. And Ndulwe.
Oh?
You will make them 3. Yes.
Icheuchendu, Okugamaka. You have spoken well. But wait. I have seen Eke. I have seen Ori. I have seen Nkwo. But where is Afo? You have to complete them 4. Yes. Always raise.
You can join them.
Complete.
That's
right. Ndị iche ibe m, ndị ọzọ na ndị ize. What surprises me most here is that the gods are still quiet. They are still keeping silent, even after he had held them to contempt. Can't the gods even remove him?
Are you telling us here you want to fight for the gods? Won't you allow the gods to fight for themselves? Eh?
Greet the elders of our land.
Good afternoon, sirs.
Don't worry, I'll see. I'll be with you soon. Emumeji.
You are no longer qualified to chant Emumeji until you have gone to appease the gods. You're damned.
You must go and see Ozukanku with a white cockerel, 1 he-goat, and 4 kola nuts.
That is it.
Yes.
That is it.
Oh, let me ask. Where am I supposed to get this money from?
Huh? What kind of question is this?
You all know my condition now.
Obina. In a jump can join.
Oh!
Are you asking us so that we can ask who?
No,
okay. Huh? So better go and ask the gods whom you have insulted.
Yes.
And let me tell you. Go and see Ozukampo before it is too late.
That is it. Did you get that message crystal clear?
Did you? You must have gotten the message.
No.
Let's go. What of the kola nuts and the...
Eat your kola nut. Eat your kola nut.
These people, they won't just understand. How mangotakwan? How can you find me?
What I want you mongo, I don't move over. Aquada over Zelu. I said, I want to wait you mongo when I had a move over Zelu. Iche Uchendo.
Ozukampo, I don't know what to do honestly because he's getting worse by the day. He says he cannot appease the gods, that he doesn't have money.
But what has to be done has to be done. Because Namiri Dolu Neju Dolu Wankata.
You see, the first time he misbehaved, I was responsible for the appeasement. So, should I do it once again because Obinna is incapable?
If you do not do it, it might affect you first, because the baboon and monkey come from the same family.
But with this behavior, will he still remain this age?
That question is meant for the gods and the goddess of Allah.
But how can he desecrate the land, disregard the gods, and still remain this age?
The gods are not mere mortals. Yes, we shouldn't think for them. They know what to do, and they will do when they want to do. I can see anger written all over your face. Go. Go. Do all you are supposed to do. Leave the rest for the gods.
If your uncle does not have money to buy water for you, go down to Nkisi and fetch your own water. It is not my auto you want to you use. You are pregnant, I am pregnant. There's no difference.
You're not used to suffering where I'm coming from. I'm not used to fetching water. Just one button, water will come out. You are used to suffering.
Me, I'm used to suffering.
Look, Ngonshi, just leave me.
Hey! My name is not Ngonshi. Your name is Ogechi. My name is Ogechi.
Your name is Ogechi.
Ogechi.
Spell it.
It's a bunny boss.
Spell it. Omojo, bush girl. My husband fed money. Olodoji, E-C-H-I. Olodoji. I don't fetch water. So there you drink your water. Drink your water. I will slap you in your ball.
Peter, each of me take his gentleman. Yeah. Look, Mama, it is better if you know who Buki is. Please warn her. She should not touch any water I fetch in this house. If she wants water to do anything, if she wants to do anything with water, she should go down to Kiss and fetch her own. Is that what I'm
Good afternoon. Come boy, let me tell you. Naga wala wala, naga vem na fue. Look at you. Where are you coming from? Your mates have been back since. Chinedu, who is in the same school with you, came back since last week. Now you're just flying in like a butterfly.
Mama, you think about all sorts. I'm at UNN while Chinedu is at Enugu State University. That's why, and they finished the exams a week ago. That's why he called me.
Hey!
It's already! Surprise!
So good to see you.
What are you doing here?
Jude brought me here to your village.
Yes, see your belly.
Isn't this what I am saying? I am talking. I've stayed long here, I'll tell you. I can now sing your song.
Are you serious?
I can cook many of your soup. Let me sing for you now.
I'm listening.
Okay, take position. Get ready to dance. Okay. Come. Oh, you family, we wear the accurate so punya. Also, come, yeah, what you go. Oh, you family, we wear the also, come, yeah, because oh, you family, we wear my friend, I can cook soup. Are you serious? Yes. This soup. Then I can cook on her. You know I
I sang that song. Oh, even the women, everybody in this village are wearing well. This but you wearing well.
Well, they don't want you to be upset.
You know what they're saying?
Yes.
You don't understand. Let me help you. Hey, you're welcome. He has gone to the market, so he's Oyileya market.
Okay.
Oye Olisa. Oye Milsa. You even know if I not bothering me.
Don't worry, I'll teach you so many other things.
You even know.
Mom said I'll teach you so many other things.
Hey! Edith, so you planned with Obina to destroy my home and make me a laughing stock in Obunike.
Mama, I met her when I went to Lagos and she was quite nice to Jude and I. So,
hey, Mama, if na Edith that one you who eh?
I'm telling you.
Hey, you're having two face.
How?
He went two face. Hey, Edith, that girl. He's the wicked. He is the wicked. You're a wicked person. He is just yoku.
Mama, one ogecho, one hand not insult me. How can it be here?
Insult to he making it. Insult to he making it. Hey, so he arranged it on your phone man for your brother. Now marriage him, you will only see that shavy. Are you not a wicked person? Yeah, it was only the Jezebel. You are the latest Jezebel. China made Jezebel. Let's your point.
Mama, I can't take this anymore.
You can't take it. If you never ask him, he was quite nice. Serving and on your kinawa. On your kinawa. Don't go quacky. If you will know to not walk. You are even not why. What tell them? What tell them?
And you? Were you abusing me?
I was doing you makeup.
Okay, Mama.
Hey, yeah, it is. Okay, the money just chalum no now. Chalum no now. Makobo no home, okay? I will show you Pepe. Nyam, go second on will cook keep it. What you know will cook keep it?
Cheregodi, Omukina, or Kukuiwa. Nga wagi nagi wa kwa you know go mama. Hey.
He did has slapped me. He slapped me. Oh my mother, my now. Oh my mother, my now.
Why did you make this kind of mistake? Why?
It's my
like this? Would you? Yes. Would you? Would you? Would you? Would you? Look at this. Yes. Yes. Would you? No. Would you leave her alone? Yes. 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 Would you stop? Would you stop? What happened? Yes. Would you? I'll beat you. Yes. Would you? Would you? What happened? Yes. You. Come and carry your gallon. Come and carry your gallon. You're mad. Come carry your gallon. Come and carry your gallon. You will see it. I was making you feel like we were fighting. Help me.
Igwe, Eze Dianyima Nobuneke, I greet you.
Ichendulo, K4. What is the problem that needs my urgent attention? I want you to go straight to the matter.
Igwe, it is only the race of no consequence that a woman would run gripping her breast. Our land, the fertility of our land is being threatened, Igwe. And this could affect the prosperity of our people.
Iche, Batu, you are still on the Iroko tree. I want you to come down and speak to me in a plain language.
Igwe, there is problem in our land. Right now, the SAG is doing Omenenu instead of Omenana. That is why I have run down quickly to let you know so that you will come into the matter before things get out of hand.
You are right. I am the Igwe. There's no doubt about that. But I want you to know that Igwe cannot do everything. If there is a problem within Emumeji, Iche Uchendo would have informed me of that, and not you. Moreover, Ozu Kampu has the final say on that, not even me, the Igwe. Anyway, as a member of the Emumeji, my advice to you people is that you should go home and settle amicably. The head of the ram is in the bag of the ram. As you can see, I'm on my way to Oka. I have a meeting to attend with His Royal Highness, the Igwe Lazekwempe, the Ezendeze, and I can't keep him waiting. Good day.
Hey! Hey! Afuwa manya. Igwa umnana. Hey! Hey! Igwa umnana. Hey!
Yeah.
Ọ̀túnba fún rẹ̀ ọkọ tèmi nìkan ṣoṣo Ọ̀túnba bàbá àsàlẹ̀kó fún rẹ̀ bàbá European. You see, my dear husband,
Yeah.
I have a favor to ask from you.
When I hear all those praises, I believe there is something behind it. What is the favor?
You see, my dear husband, there's this meeting coming up in Ijuland, and you know that as the Relu of Ijuland, I can't afford to be absent from that meeting.
All right. When is the meeting?
It's the day after tomorrow.
So, well, you can go tomorrow then.
Yes. Thank you, my dear husband. That's why I love you. Thank you for understanding the fact that, you know, the work of an Relu is very demanding and tasky.
That's why I'm in support of you becoming the Relu. That is why we are dressed as Otuba Badmus Fashola and Erelu Ronke Sikira Fashola. Is that not a good combination? I will take my leave now. All right.
Take care of yourself.
I will see you when I come back.
Have a lovely day.
All right, thank you. Yeah.
gbogbo o bidoro na gbogbo emume ji bụ ọganihu o bidoro na gbogbo chukwu eze n'ubi na nri emume ji emume udo o bidoro na gbogbo o bidoro na gbogbo emume ji ọganihu o bidoro na gbogbo chukwu eze n'ubi na nri emume ji emume udo o bidoro na gbogbo o bidoro na gbogbo o bidoro na gbogbo emume ji ọganihu o bidoro na gbogbo chukwu eze n'ubi na nri emume ji.
Nay, before the yam. Obinna, emeji ka anyị na-eme. Ga-eji agbapụta gị n'ezi eji, nna gị mere ọfụma. Ikọma bịara gị. Fa ma afọ n'iru, fa ma afọ n'azụ. Ajọ mụ na ajọ ma afọ gị. Ga-eme nke ọma ka nna gị si mee. Rise.
Ichuchendu.
That was when tradition was tradition.
Oh, I see. That's the reason I was given 2 tubers of yam at my traditional marriage?
Yes. And that is why you must hold Ogechi to your heart and ensure that no woman comes between you and her.
just prepared it now.
Oh yeah, go.
This is for you. Hey, SH. This is for you.
Oh yeah, go.
You like it?
Hey, well. Hey, wait. Hey.
Oh. Hey! Ekutos one name, wonders they say shall never end. Have you seen how this world is? Have you seen how this world is, my sister? Oh.
All that glitters is not good.
My sister, all that glitters is not good. All that glitters is not good, my sister. If they had told me that SAG would be like this, if they had told me that SAG will do this, I wouldn't have believed it. Mango kwano my sister, mango kwano mwande mwanyi, onobi abawago kwano mo. SAG abawago kwano mobi, abawago kwano mobi, amazi kwano mkende chesi, amazi mkende chesi, amazi mkende mesi. Oh, but one, I warned you. I warned you not to give your daughter's hand in marriage to him. Listen, Bani, you were carried away with the fact that SAG of Omunike will soon be your son-in-law. If Oganiano, you have gotten the Okogo. Put us together. No. Put us. What did you just say now? Hey! Ana kon kemeleme. Ozaneme. Are you adding more salt to the joke? No. Did you come here to mock me? No, I'm actually. Did you come here to mock me? I'm asking you. Yes, did you come here to mock me? God forbid. The truth they say is bitter. It's you na fufu, Nancy. Okay, you thought by now your yam bags must have been filled with yams. Mobo na nwa de nwa enoya. If gani anu, you go no ga abele. What you do is keep the palacho. Ekutos, you are mad. Ekutos, I say you are very, very stupid. So I called you here, so that you will come and share in my grief. If I'm here, Chalo, golf. Get out of my house now! Get out of my house now! Again. Hey, the banana. No. Odogunwa. Mamalam. Naya. I go up and go on. But I'll put your father. Hold your mother. Congratulations. Hold me now.
Mama Cherry go the first, Let the news be broken before you start congratulating.
Hey, don't say that. Don't say that.
Very soon, within 24 hours, the news will be broken. And everybody will hear. Hey. Stop it. You did well.
What is good for the goose is good for the gander.
Don't worry. I prepared a nice chicken for you.
Hey.
Not goose. Come, I will feed you with my hands.
Hey.
Hey. Oh.
Hello. Hey, thank God. I've been looking for how to see you all this while. Oh, thank God I saw you here today.
Yeah, my name is Chioma.
My name is Buki, Jude's wife from Ezinike, the Ezinke of this land.
She said Ezinke. Please, if it's Jude, the one I know that is from this village, his title is Ezeji,
not Ezinke. Thank you, Sioma. Thank you for this correction. You see, You know me, I'm not from this place. My tongue is not the same thing as your tongue. I'm not from this Ogboke. If you are Ajokutama Mumi in our village.
You just called me Sioma, which is good shit. I'm not good shit now. And that thing is not Ogbunike. It is Ogbunike. Stop spoiling our names now.
Ogbunike. Hey! See, you're my friend. You're my only friend in this village. I'm happy. Nobody will be talking to me. At least I have you now as my friend. Your tongue is thick, but I will be learning. Already, you know your tongue is different from our tongue. You people, you eat apu, jokutama mumini.
Understand? You want to sell me too? No, now.
Where I come from, Oremi means my friend, and you are a sweet one at that. You are beautiful.
Oh, thank you. I learned Ogechi is giving you trouble.
If you ask me, who will I ask? This is too much for me. But if the gods remain silent, I will still perform my sacred function, because it is my right to perform such.
Papa, let's pray the gods will speak within the next 4 days.
Bring forth the child. Chibuo, the son of Ezeji Obinna Okadibo, on this day, which is the new moon preceding the Care Market Day, I pronounce you the
Why all these transgressions and rebellions against the gods? Why? Couldn't you have waited for ages for the gods to speak? This child is not Ezeji's successor. Yes! Give this child back to his father. The ways of the gods are different from the ways of men. The gods have spoken.
is this girl? Ogechi! Ogechi! Please come out. The elders are waiting outside now. What is wrong with you? Please come out.
Ozukampu. The women will soon be out with the babies.
That is the will of the gods. No one questions the gods. Yes. No one must question the gods. Yes. Yes. Who is this butterfly that takes itself for a bed? Don't you have tradition where you come from? Don't you? Will you get out of this place now before I consume you?
You are talking trash. If you think you have juju, I have the highest juju here. That is bigger than any juju for any universe. And I will use it to deal with you. I will tell you that I am a descendant of Ereko from Ijebu-Ode. There is nothing you can do.
I will show you the powers of the gods. Now, Uchendo, lebe wena no adaka. Lebe kuonyewa. Iwa. Ole lungi tagore when you went to Malawi.
How long have you been in this job?
Ole lungi tagore.
I am on this. Yes, I'm on this. I will sack you. I will sack you.
Ole lungi tagore. Olwe no mume. Ole lungi tagore. Olwe no. Ibrugudu. Ibrugudu. Melode nyiri dike. Imana melode nyiri dike. Imana melode ke jama dike. Melode nyiri dike. Atombi imana melode nyiri dike. Imana melode ke jama dike. Onye mara mmanwe gbo gbo isi evuru. Ogba na nwata ezuwezu ogbonyo choko. Agoba ji mara onye agburu isi. Iya. Melode nyiri dike. Imana melode ke jama dike nu. Olwe no mume. Ori abala diwa. Hey! Ogechi. Bring forth your son, Obidike. You are welcome, Obidike, the next Ezeji. When you grow of age, you will be initiated into Emumeji proper. Obina, come and have your son. Otumba Badmus Ayodele Fashola, the son of Aderepo, the grandson of Abiodun, and you are the Onakakampo of Egba land.
What is happening? Baba, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. So you know me too well like this?
In the universe, we are all one. Our gods do their things in mysterious ways. This particular Ezeji has been destined to marry 2 wives. He is the first to marry 2 wives in many years. Yes, the gods chose Ogechi's son because she's in marriage. The same gods also said that Obina's son with your daughter will not live outside. And that is why you must allow the father of your grandson to come and perform Bukola's marriage rites. Their union will bring peace and love between your people and my people. Their love is love of destiny. Ogechi, you must make peace with Bukola. And as for you, Obinna, your blessings are on the way.
Abianubi jibweze Abianani jibweze Jinebuta for juju buto biangoli obode bili nudo Jinebuta for juju buto biangoli obode bili nudo Obidolu na bobo emumeji oganiru Obidolu na bobo jibweze nubinani emumeji emumudo Obidolu na bobo Obidolu na bobo emumeji oganiru Obidolu na bobo jibweze nubinani emumeji emumudo Obidolu na bobo emumeji oganiru Obidolu na bobo jibweze nubinani emumeji emumudo Obidolu na bobo emumeji oganiru Obidolu na bobo jibweze nubinani emumeji emumudo Obidolu na bobo